Hey, Charlie.
Hey, hey.
Why don't you just come in and I'll meet you downstairs?
This looks like a storybook here. You've got you a piece of heaven over here, Tony.
Why, thank you, Charlie. Yeah, welcome to the lake house. Come on in, we'll check it out.
Happy to be here. It's like the lake house meets tree house.
Thanks, yes. I mean, that is the point, is to come in and feel like you're on vacation immediately.
The style is incredible. Take us through the style. And you laid everything out and designed it yourself?
Originally, this property was Daniel Burnham, so he was probably the most famous architect of all time. He designed the World's Fair in 1893, and he actually raised his family right here in this area, like on this block. And I think he chose it because it's about 50 steps from Lake Michigan.
Not bad.
Yeah.
He had some taste to him,
Yeah,
huh?
we used sort of all the goods of the surrounding area to come up with just a really laid back place that takes advantage of its location to the beach.
Describe the floor plan here.
Okay, you have a sunroom, dining room, living room. There's a coffee station. There's a game room in the basement. Upstairs, we have 5 bedrooms, 4.5 baths. There is a primary bedroom that looks onto the lake. From the primary bedroom, you can see the sunrise over the lake. Then if you head upstairs to the 3rd floor, there's an office. In between the 2nd and 3rd floor, there's a really cool balcony. It's a 180-degree view of the lake. And there's a couple of chairs out there. And then the best part of the house is really the outdoor space. There's tons of patios and porches and room for games and hanging out. So I think I would love to show it to you if you want to come out. All right, let's go check it out.
Incredible. This thing opens up for real.
That's right,
Jeez.
It does. There's a lot to do out here. There's the fire pit that has gas and wood. There is a projection screen that you can pull down right behind me
That is too
and watch
cool.
a movie. Or you can come out to the lawn. There's tons of games, and then there's yard games. We have bocce ball and, of course, like good old bags. You say that you've never been beat in a bag game before.
Correct.
Well, I'm challenging you to a game right now.
I'm accepting.
Let's
keep
do
the
it.
record perfect in Chicago.
Or not.
folks.
All right, Charlie, you talk a big game.
Yeah.
So I'm a little nervous because I haven't played. I'm a little bit rusty, but let's give it a shot and see how this goes. Let's go check out the beach and like just say goodbye before you guys leave.
Absolutely.
All right, come on.
Take a walk.
Let's go. Are you gonna catch a game while you're in town?
Oh, I got to see the Cubbies.
3
Absolutely.
blocks down. You can grab your coffee, grab a bagel, and you'll be on the train in no time.
From here?
Straight down Dumpster. Yeah.
Huh. I'll be seeing you soon.
All right. Take care, Charlie.